Hi, I'm Sean Holman from MotorTrend Group, and next to me today is this bad tire right here, the Delium Terra Raider MT KU-255. Obviously, the tire next to me today is a mud terrain tire, which means maximum traction. This unique compound provides longer wear, enhanced wet traction, and chip and cut resistance, which means that you're not going to be chunking off these lugs on the trail. A special lug design is engineered with special angles for traction, and the shoulder scallops and mud pockets means that this tire is going to dig down to the hard earth and keep you going. A mountain grip sidewall separates this tire from the competition and also gives you traction when the tire is aired down. A three-ply sidewall is stout, meaning that this tire is super strong. It's not going to let you down on the trail, and terrain-conforming blocks and open shoulders mean that this tire is going to wrap around rocks and any other obstacle that's on the trail, keeping you going. Again, with a mud terrain tire, traction is the name of the game, and the KU-255 does not disappoint. So if you're interested in a maximum traction mud terrain tire, then you'll definitely want to add the Terra Raider Delium MT KU-255 to your list. And if you're looking for more information or you want to purchase a set, head over to tireget.com.